So here's how you can remove the spam events from your calendar on iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing as there are so many tutorials coming up on this channel and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you can obviously open up your calendar as usual and tap on the event, and it's likely that you will have the ability to click on a delete at the bottom, right? So that is the general process of how it works. But usually with these like spam calendars, it's not just one event only, but like so many future events and recurring stuff, right? And the only way to stop that from happening is to turn off and then delete the whole calendar. So in this like regular view, tap on the calendars and at the bottom, and you might be seeing some of them which you are like subscribing to. So it might be part of your iCloud or other. And the point is that you can tap on the calendar which you don't like, click on the information icon next to it, and you will be able to delete it, right? Like remove it from the phone and stop subscribing to that calendar, right? It's likely that you clicked some link which installed it or brought it over to you, but that is how you can stop that from happening. So yeah, that is how you can do this. Most likely you will be able to stop that from happening. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it. In case of any further question, you can use the comment section as well. Hit a thumbs up and stay tuned by subscribing so you never miss anything important. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well.